Good morning, students. Today we are starting a topic natural resources. Natural resources. As we all know that Earth is only single planet on which life is possible. Earth is only planet on which life is exists, because on Earth lithosphere means you can say land, and hydrosphere means you can say the part which containing water, and third one is atmosphere means the part or the surrounding where air is present. These three things, land, water and air, support the life on. Now the things which support life on Earth together form biosphere, or you can say hydrosphere, atmosphere and the lithosphere are the components of a biosphere. Hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere are the components of a biosphere. Now what do you mean biosphere? Biosphere से आप क्या समझते हैं? Biosphere is the surrounding in which both components living as well as non-living are present, and the living component of biosphere are called biotic component, and non-living component are called abiotic component. The living component, or you can say biotic component of the biosphere, mainly include living organisms like microorganisms, plants and animals, and non-living mainly contain soil, water, air, temperature, etc. These components are called abiotic components. Now, what are the natural resources which are present on Earth or in biosphere? Natural resources क्या होते हैं? Natural resources, the material or the substance or the substances present in natural environment, जो natural environment में present हैं, and useful to living organisms, are called natural resources. The resources which are present in natural environment and useful for the living organisms to survive on the earth or environment are called natural resources. Now we are discussing about types of natural resources. The natural resources may be physical resources, as well as biological resources. In physical resources, all abiotic components like air, water, soil, minerals are included in physical resources. Now biological resources, the living resources या the living organisms, or you can say biotic component like microorganisms, fungi, plants are included in biological resources. The word resource mainly include the word resource. Means क्या होता है? The resource include mainly supplying a material generally held in reserve. And natural means in nature. The natural resources may be a material which is richer in nature and used by the organisms to survive on earth are called natural resources. आप natural resources को define कर सकते हो इस तरीके से भी. Now we are discussing about classification of natural resources. देखिए natural resources को different way से, different point of view से हमने क्लासीफाई किया है. सबसे पहले क्लासीफाई किया है नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर क्लासिफाइड अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ केमिकल नेचर. On the basis of chemical nature, the natural resources are classified into 3 groups. First is organic resource, second one inorganic resource, and third is mixed resource. Next, on the basis of abundance and availability of the natural resources, these are of 2 types. First is inexhaustible natural resource, and second one exhaustible natural resource. Now, the exhaustible natural resources on the basis of their amount or on the basis of their process of recycling means can be recycled or not, can be renewed or not. Further, these are of 2 types. Renewable exhaustible natural resources and second is non-renewable exhaustible natural resources. Now the third, the types of the natural resources on the basis of distribution. The natural resources are present on which site, on which place, on which nation. These are of two types on the basis of their distribution. First of all, national resource, national natural resource. Second one, multinational, multinational. And third one, international, international natural resource, natural resource. These are the natural resources and their types. In next video we discuss about these all types of the natural resources. Okay.